To file Statement of Inward Supplies, all UIN holders must fill the required details in Form GSTR 11. This can be done using the offline utility and then uploading the details by connecting online or using only the online facility. To use the offline utility, you need to perform multiple steps as displayed on screen. There are separate videos corresponding to all these steps. This video will guide you how to fill the details of GSTR 11 using the offline utility. Once you have downloaded and opened the GSTR 11 offline tool, go through the README section carefully. Then, in Home section, enter your UIN and select the financial year and tax period of the statement to be filed. Then, go to the 3A tab. Start filling your invoice data from row 7 and do not leave any row blank. Offline utility will not consider the records added after a blank row. Enter GSTIN, invoice number, and invoice value. Select Place of Supply. Similarly, select the rate also. Enter the taxable value. Based on the entries, the applicable integrated tax or the central tax and state or union territory tax will be auto-calculated and gets populated in the respective columns. You may leave the cess column blank if not applicable. Lastly, make sure you select the Add option from the drop-down list of the action column M for each row that you have filled in. Once you have entered all the invoice details, click the Validate Sheet button. In case of errors, the Sheet Validation Errors column will be auto-populated with text Error Found in Row, and this error intimation pop-up will appear. Click OK and bring your cursor on the red highlighted cells to read the error description and correct each error. After you have corrected all the errors, click the Validate Sheet button again. Now, this pop-up will appear and Sheet Validation Errors column will be empty. Click OK to proceed. Similarly, you can enter the debit and credit notes details in the 3B sheet if required. It is not mandatory to fill this sheet, but even if this sheet is blank, make sure you click the Validate Sheet button on 3B tab. Next, click the Go Home button. Scroll down and click the Get Summary button. If no debit or credit notes were added, their pop-ups will appear. Click OK on each pop-up. Click OK to view the summary generated based on 3A and 3B sheets. Scroll down to view the place of supplier's state-wise tax amount. Now, as the last step, click the Generate JSON file to upload button. You will see this pop-up asking you to wait. Just wait for 10 seconds and click OK. Another pop-up will appear confirming and asking you to save the file. Again, click OK. Click Save, but do not change the file extension .json while saving. You have now prepared the offline utility and it is ready for upload. It's that simple.